Welcome to the channel guys. Today we will see how to remove background in just one. Let's do it. Let's take an online example. I have searched for model photography. Here we can see that different types of photograph and backgrounds. So we will select one of them. I have selected this photo. So let's download it and move to the editing part. For the editing purpose we have used Photoshop. So let's do it. So for your ease of convenience, I have marked the commands which I am using onto the left bottom. The most common mistake I have seen people doing is they select with pen tool or they use magic wand tool for the selection, so which results in a disaster. So the trick is go to the select menu, click onto the subject and wait for the result till it processes the profile. So we can see that it has done a pretty good job. It has selected the overall profile of the model and it has differentiated between the background and to the subject part. As we have selected the subject, let's remove the background of the image. We have made a new layer and selected the current layer and deleted the subject from the current layer and moved into the transparent layer, which is layer 1. So this is the obtained result where we can see that the subject has no background left and it is completely transparent. So the other trick is to go to the Windows menu and find the properties and scroll down to properties menu, and we can see that there is a remove background option soon. So click on it. Here the software itself differentiates between the background and the subject and removes the background by itself. Thus now you know how to maintain the lights and shadows of any image. But wait a second. I know you are thinking it was a very plain background. It was monotone. So let's try it for a complex background. Let's do it. In this image we can see that there is a subject and there is a background which is very complex. It has different colors and very diversified objects in it. So let's remove the background using the same method. After clicking the subject command, we can see that the software has done pretty good job. It has differentiated between the background and the subject, but it is not able to diversify some part of his hair. So we can correct it. Go to the select menu and select and mask. Select the desired area and press enter. Now we can see that it has completely selected the subject and we can now remove the background. We will follow the same steps as we applied on the earlier image and see the results. Now we can see that it is a completely background free and it is completely having the lights and shadows of it. If we zoom into the result, we can see that it has maintained each and every edge. So now you know the hack. Do like and subscribe to the channel and do let me know if you have any doubts in comment. Thanks for watching.